Yoshi's vending machine is open for business. Anybody want some stuff? Yoshi's vending machine is open. Yay! Oh, hi there, Yoshi. Hi. Wow, you have so many options. There's banana, milk, orange juice, apple, broccoli, shrimp, carrots, and chicken, my favorite. What should I get? So many choices. What do you recommend? I recommend the turkey. Huh? The turkey? Oh, this is turkey? Okay. Turkey. Huh? Oh, I forgot money. Oh, this is not the piggy bank. Here you go. Money. Boop. 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 Okay. One turkey, please. Choo. Okay. Birdo says turkey. Where's the turkey? Right here. Turkey, but wait! Yoshi, this is not cooked. How am I supposed to eat it? Okay. Birdo, welcome to my restaurant. I'll meet you over there. Okay, Birdo, I'm gonna cook turkey for you. Super hot. Super hot. 400. Okay. I can't wait to be so yummy. Ding! It's done! Here. And here's your turkey. Oh, the turkey smells yummy, Yoshi. What? What happened? Yoshi! Why there are bugs on the turkey? I don't know. But here's your free orange juice. I love orange juice. But I can't eat this turkey. There's bugs. Oh. Okay, Yoshi, I can't eat the turkey, but how much for the food? How much do you have? Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so I have about 5 coins. Oh, 6 coins. 6 coins. How much for the turkey? So these coins are $10. I need $60. $60 for turkey with bugs? This is too expensive. I'm getting out of here. Oh, wait. And then don't forget you next time. I'm going to get you zero help from this. Bye. I think Birdo likes it. Go back to the vending machine.